Puffiness, dryness, and fine lines around the delicate eye area are telltale signs of stress, fatigue, and dehydration. The key to combating these bothersome issues is to keep the skin hydrated and healthy. IV Moisture Boost Hydrogel patches offer an innovative product, engineered to specifically target the signs of fatigue under the eye with a quick, intensive hydrating boost of nourishing ingredients. For optimal benefits, use IV patches as a weekly eye treatment and as a complement to your daily skincare routine. They can also be used as a quick eye pick-me-up for date nights, late nights, and long flights. To apply, open a single pouch and pull out the tray containing 2 eye patches. Please note, these eye patches are very delicate, so be careful as you remove them from the tray. Using the tip of your index finger, gently swipe along the side of the tray to lift the patch up so it can be removed from the package. Take the patch and place the wider part with the embossed N on the outside of your eye, near the crow's feet area, and then gently pat the rest of the patch under your eye, near your bottom lashes. Lightly press along the patch, moving toward your nose to secure it in place. Need to adjust the placement? That's fine. Just lightly move the patches into the correct position. Repeat the same process under the other eye. Relax for 20 minutes and enjoy the refreshing sensation as the nourishing, age-defying ingredients soak onto your skin. Plus, these non-slip eye patches will stay in place after application. So if you want to move around while wearing them, you can. After 20 minutes of use, gently remove the eye patches and discard. Softly pat the area under your eyes to smooth any remaining essence onto the skin. With its unparalleled supercharged hydration, this revolutionary product delivers instantaneous benefits to the delicate skin under the eyes. Want a simple solution to look your best? Lock in moisture and revive your eyes with Neora IV Moisture Boost Hydrogel patches.